Get wrecked with her. Hello guys, it's your mama's Nuggets, but you can call me Nuggets, and welcome back to the Final Frontier. How are you guys doing today? I am doing fantastic. I'm pretty excited and looking forward to playing some Minecraft. How about you guys? Let's show you what I've done since the last time you were here. Not much. I've done experimenting with some gasoline-y type stuff, and yeah, so I've made some things. I also completely automated this. So now aluminum I put in there. It goes into this thing here, gets processed, gets put in here, gets washed, I guess, from the water from there. And then it goes through a separator where the garbage goes into the garbage can here. And the good purified crushed aluminum ore goes into this thing here, which then comes out of that, goes into this chest here. And from this chest here, which I suppose it doesn't even need to go to a chest. Actually, I could get rid of that chest. Oh well, whatever. It comes out of the chest, goes through another separator where it throws everything out except for the titanium, which then gets crafted here, put into a furnace, and turns into titanium. So, put aluminum in there, get titanium out here, everything else gets thrown away. So that's pretty cool. I've also used the box to make a room here for zombies, which we are going to turn into, hopefully with a radio tower, into tech zombies, or tech guns zombies, rather. Other than that, I have crafted all the stuff. Let me put this armor back on. I've crafted all the things that we need to make gasoline through immersive engineering. So that's what we're going to go do right now to start off the episode. So I'm going to head out there. I will see you guys there. Alright, where did I get that from? Alright, we're down here at the oh goodness oil pool right next to the base. I hope it's deeper than that. I don't think it is. Well, this isn't going to take very long then, so whatever. So let's take and get this junk out of my inventory. Use this thing here and see what we got to do. What do? Alright. Oh yeah, it's an image. I can't jump on it. Duh. Okay, so let's build this thing. Let's remember how to play Minecraft and use proper buttons. I think and I hope I have at least all the stuff that I need. I think I made extra. Just in case. And then I made the projector, obviously. Now, I haven't really played around with immersive engineering, to tell you the truth, since 1.10, when I did it in Hermit Pack, when I had my own server. So, where? Okay. I was like, where is that thing? Like, I know I had it. Yeah. So, there's been some improvements, which I'm sure you were all aware of, to everything, and that's a vast improvements as far as I'm concerned. Like this projector thing, for one, is pretty cool. You know what? We need to go into our backpack and put a jetpack on, because I'm not going to hop around. Alright, so we're back here at the base. We've got the gas all taken care of. Now we want to start making exosuits. I don't know why. It's got higher durability. All right. So what do I want to do today? I want to make one of these other guns. I want to make, like, we have the PDW, I want to make a, what do I need for a nuclear death ray? Nuclear power cell. That probably takes some enriched uranium. We could do this. I actually have a chemical laboratory, so let's find the enriched uranium comes from a Texgun's reaction chamber where we get uranium grit or dust of some sort. Yellorium dust comes from a crusher. We can do this. So, because I have some yellorite, so double crusher is going to take some advanced coils, a couple of regular crushers. We could do this. We can totally do this. So what do you need for a regular crusher? Redstonia crystals. How many of those do I have? That's what I got to find out first. Alright, so let's see if we can make a laser gun. Laser rifle. Do we need to make an energy cell? Energy cell is a fabricator, gold, copper wire, redstones, and plastic. We can do this. So let's see. That's gold wire. Take a copper wire, plastic, redstone, and a bar of gold. Let's go downstairs to the tech gun area. We're gonna make laser rifle, guys. Excited. So we need to put this back together. Grab our fabricator glass out of this, which should be in here. It might be upstairs in the chest. It looks like it's upstairs in the chest because I have reaction chamber glass here, but I don't have fabricator glass. Dang it. Alright, so it's up here in this crate. Reaction chamber glass, okay. No, fabricator glass. Dang it. These things still, I think, lag the heck out of your world because I think they have a RAM leak in them. Could be wrong. Don't think so. Oh, I need the controller. I have the controller though, right? There it is. Bam. Fabricator. Okay. You need this, 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 and this. Right? It probably needs multiples of them. Dang it. Alright, where's laser rifle? Energy cell needs 3 redstone. Dang it. Let's see. Now if I put this there, no. We break this. And then I put this here. And then we grab our configurationator. We go, That's what I want. Now, did that get me all of it? Or at least enough of it? It did get me all of it. Alright. Let's see if that's enough to do what we got to do. Alright. I don't know. It's got power, right? So I think if I put this down over here and then do a thing like that and then do one of these things. There we go. Now are you in here? You have 0. That's not quite the number that I wanted to have, but you know. Okay, now let's see, where is it? There it is. Okay, so this needs to be set to 40%. It needs 4,000 millibuckets. I don't have that. Alright, we have to, I'll get this stuff together, be right back. Alright, so I've got more redstone stuff. I don't know how much is in here. Let's take this up to 40. Looks like we have enough. And I need to put in this thing. And then it needs to turn to what? Starting intensity 3. So we need to leave it at 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now you should go, right? required completion 5, recipe takes 10. So it's got power. Oh, it doesn't have power. Because the power has to go to the top, not the sides. Or the back. Right? And now... Oh, it's doing a thing. Has the potential to jump, and we might have to adjust it. No, no, no. There we go. Stay there. Yeah! Laser focus. Awesome. So, now what do we have to do? We have to go make some other things. Cool. Thank you for working properly, machine. Alright, and 4. No. Take that back. And we can make our laser barrel. I think. Right? Yes, laser barrel. It's another step. Now a hardened receiver. I have some parts over. Or they're in my backpack. What is it? I have a carbon receiver and a carbon barrel and a carbon gun stock. Alright, and the hardened one is with the obsidian plates. Right? More than likely. So we're going to need... So I've got this, I've got this, I got this, I have this. Mechanical parts I think I have, so I need a hardened receiver and a plastic gun stock. We can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have mechanical parts. And then I just need... Alright, so let's make our plastic stock. Done. And this, which is one mechanical part with obsidian steel. Alright, we can do this. Let's get one more of these. Let's go downstairs with our obsidian steel that we had made, luckily, and put it in here. Let's see. Keep that. Do that. Sweet. Don't worry, zombies. We're coming back for you. Alright, so now we can make... No. Yes, this. No, we need one more plate. Dang it. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, faster. Give it. Alright, now we can do a hardened thing. Got the thing, has the stuff. Do that. And... Dang it. Alright, give me that. Make this. Do it. Yes, laser rifle. Alright, let's put our stuff back in the box. So we can find it. Gold, redstone, plastic sheets, copper wire. Apparently these are like their bullets, so, or its bullets. So that's fine. Now can I just take these and put these in here? That's not it. And this. Sweet! I'm excited. Yeah, make another one. Hurry up, come on. Alright, let's see. There's a bad guy over. No, those are probably downstairs at the spawner. Alright. Going to the nether. Shish. Ah! Fell through a hole. It's fine. Perfectly fine. Alright. Now all we have to do is just wait a minute or two. Get wrecked, guy. Where's my sword? What'd I do? Oh, here it is. Yeah. Because I need more ectoplasm. Get out of here. Go away, fire. Nothing can stop us now. We have a laser rifle. Hey, Nether Fortress. I'm coming for you. Oh, let's do this. Yeah. What do you got, demon guy? Get roasted! Yeah! Oh, this is awesome! Whoa! No? No? Buttons. Ooh, blaze! Taste laser rifle, blaze! Oh, can I shoot the ghosts? With the laser rifle? Really? That's awesome! I don't need to use the sword anymore. Where you at, Ghast? What? What? Where? When? Who? Where? I will shoot you in the face. Taste laser rifle, zombie! Taste laser rifle, guy! Ah, so awesome. Alright. And we have one more wither skeleton skull. We can make a... Ooh, 2 more gas tiers. Sweet. Soul sand. Do we have soul sand? We are going to go laser wither, and then we're going to go laser and ender dragon. It's going to be a good day, guys. It's going to be a good day. Alright, guys. So, we've got our area. Let's do this. You know, nothing bad could happen, right? It's not like it's going to wreck our faces. That being said, I'm kind of terrified right now. No. Alright. Let's get ready. Get ready to get laser rifled. Get wrecked with her. Yeah! Get annihilated. Take that. Am I gonna die? Haha! See that? That was awesome! I just destroyed that wither. Laser gun to the face! Haha! Awesome! Alright. Cleared out a couple of pigmen. Had some unhappy endermen. Took care of them while I was at it. And now... Oop, there's a hole there. For this. Time to take out the Ender Dragon with a laser gun. Let me turn down my mob sounds. And put that down at 2. And she's back. Back again. There she is. Let's see if I can do this without breaking any of the crystals. What you got, Ender Dragon? Oh goodness, I've just died. Damn it. Well. So even if you have OP laser death ray, make sure you don't stand in dragon's breath. Let's be a little less ooh. Let's be a little less stupid, really. Be a little less stupid. Stupid guy. Alright. So, let's see. Laser rifle. Check. Still have 11. Those guys and that. Alright, we're good. Good to go. Good to go. Where you at? Not this. Laser rifle. Taking out the Ender Dragon with a laser rifle. That's what we're doing. Okay, eating the pizza. Where are you at? Where is she at? There she is. Alright, yeah. Take it. Eat it. I don't care about you either, Enderman. Stupid Enderman. Gone. Look at that. That's interesting. That's right, I got revenge on you. You and your stupid things. Alright, we're back with our loots, guys. I'd say we had a pretty good haul. We've got a bunch of stuff that we did not have, which is pretty cool. It was a fun fight. We didn't pay attention and got ourselves another death note while we were at it. But, you know, we've got some enchanted stuff that... What was that? Oh, alluding to. Got some enchanted stuff that we can take the enchantments off, which is pretty cool. Dark bow, I don't know. We got enough Restonia crystals to do what we were going to do, or what we looked at earlier. I forget what that was, but that's all right. But the last thing that we're going to do today, like we said before we left, we're going to make that armor at tech. All right, I'm going to get the stuff together and bring you guys back in a minute. Oh, we had just enough. All right, so here's our boots. Here's our leggings. Here's our chest piece. And our helmet. And now we switch from exosuit to power armor. Which has 6 toughness all the way through, as opposed to 3.5. Let's see, 3570. Oh, it's got way, this has got a lot more power. That's fine. Looks like everything in the health bonus is plus 2 hearts. Mining speed is 5. Knockback resistance. But there we go. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, wow. Sweet. Alright, guys, that's all I got time for today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Made our laser gun. Made our advanced armor. And now we look like we're ready to wreck some face. Thanks a lot, guys. It's your mom's Nuggets, but you can call me Nuggets, and I will see you in the next episode. Take it easy.